Hello and welcome back to Not a Proper Classic, and today we're finally going to try and tackle the wiring loom on the 220 CE. But first, as you can probably tell by the jump leads, need to get it started and moved inside somewhere slightly less windy, less cold and slightly better and closer to tools. So yeah, let me try and start a remover and I'll be back to you shortly. Okay, after a bit of huffing and puffing, we've got her in, taken the cover off there. There are some pins, but first I'm going to take the battery off, put it on charge because I think it's dead. Take the air hose pipe off and then see what I can see. I'm not quite sure what that is, but that's now off. I guess I'll have a look and start disconnecting other sensors. So I've got the connector off, we'll take that off. It looks like the wiring loom under the plastic cover. There's another one round the back there somewhere. And I think the other end, it's in there down there, but I'll have a look. But I'll do the sensors. But while I'm here, you can see this one. What we'll do is one plug at a time. Right, I'm just going to undo the throttle body. There's 4 nuts, I think, bolts holding it in. Got a 12mm. We'll take that off and see how we get off. But chuck on time lapse, you can watch my struggles there. Throttle body off, there's still a bolt hanging around in there. I'm just about to take the cover off of that focus off. That should hopefully expose most of the wires. I followed, if you see it, where that goes all the way through to the bulkhead and comes into here. Behind the battery there's a cover, which I've taken off, and I think it's that one, but I'm going to continue unclipping everything, exposing what I need to, and then, as I said a second ago, disconnect and reconnect as I go. Now I've got the cover off, I'm trying to show you the wires. You hopefully might be able to see the sort of the cracked covers on the wiring. There's the eco wiring harness, but sort of following it back, just trying to look for all the connectors. That one goes behind the bulkhead, they're the ones at the front. There's one down here which connects to the throttle body, and it's underneath the intake manifold. It's got 2 screws and bolts on it. It's just there. Some other wires and connectors I'm following. And yeah, here's the bit where you'll find out where I messed up, but I'll show you that later. Okay, I think I know where all the wires are routed through. So it's now just going to be a case of disconnecting and reconnecting as I go. And yeah, see how we get on. Fingers crossed and wish me luck. Okay, we're back and we're going to try and do the cable today. So it'll be whack battery out. This cable there, there's a small one in there. If you follow, I think it's the math, which comes over this side, which is, that one goes behind the bulkhead cover, which goes in there. There's obviously the few in there that I've already shown you, but there's the throttle body cable, which comes off here and it goes underneath the manifold. So I'm going to take the tray off the bottom, the wheel off, jack it up, just to get access to under there, because that one is this plug. So there's obviously 2 screws as well as the connector bit on there, so just to get access. So I'm going to jack her up, start disconnecting stuff, and hopefully go through from there, and I'll take you through where I can, plug by plug. That's what it's all looking like. So let's crack on.
You're happy for me to cut that now?
Go for it. Here you can see me starting to take out the wires, having removed the bulkhead panel, but I found out I had the wrong loom. There wasn't a connector for the crankshaft sensor, but in the end I took it all out. I sent off the loom to be refurbished, and I'll pick this back up when the loom's back and I'm refitting it, but don't cut it and make sure you've got the right loom. See you next time.